Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Instagram's brand new feature that called Instant. So in Instagram latest update, they introduced a new feature that called Instant, and the system works a little differently from regular stories. Just think of it like an instant sharing feature where you quickly take a photo and send it directly to your friends without spending time editing or adding stickers or making everything perfect. And what makes this feature different is that your friends can only view your instant once and they can only react one time too. And after they open and see your instant, it disappears from their page automatically. So it feels more casual and more spontaneous compared to regular Instagram stories. And then now I will show you how to create your own instant. First, just open Instagram and go to your DM page like this, like this. And then just look at the bottom right corner and you will notice a small sections like this one. But before that, make sure your Instagram app is already updated to the latest version because some users might not see this feature yet if they are still using an older versions. And in here, at these sections, if one of your friends recently posted an instant, it will appear right here automatically like this. Just click on it like this. And if you want to view their instant, just simply tap on it to see their another instant. And you can also react it on here or you can comment to their instant. But remember, reactions or comment can only be sent once. And now if you want to create your own instant instead, just tap on close. Just tap on close on here. Just tap on it. And then just tap on these sections, the plus button. Like this. You can see it. Like this. You can see it. After that, Instagram will open a page that looks similar to the camera feature like this. And then in here, you can just tap any captions that you want. And then just choose who can see your instant on here, this one. You can set it to friends or close friends over here. So just pick whichever works best for you. For example, in here, I want to choose friends. And then and once everything is ready, just point your camera towards the objects or moment that you want to capture. And then just take a photo. And like that. That's it, your instant will be posted immediately and will appear on your friend instant sections. And you can just check your instant history at this icon at the top right corner, like this. And then in here you can just see your instant history. And I actually think this feature is pretty interesting because people usually spend too much time to trying to make everything look perfect before posting. And with this feature feels more natural and casual since you're just sharing a real moment quickly without over editing everything. But at the same time, maybe some people might not use it that much because it's disappeared after being seen once. So what do you think? Is this feature useful or do you think regular stories are still better? So just try it and let me know in the comments. And okay, that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.